Honda has confirmed to the final model year for the current generation Accord will be 2022, and this all-new generation will arrive for the 2023 model year. Bright LED lighting elements highlight the new design's sleek lines, while an elongated hexagonal grille wears a handsome triangle motif insert. At the back, the Accord's tail lights stretch nearly the entirety of the width of the car, save for a small interruption in the middle of the trunk lid to make room for a small Honda logo. The current turbocharged 1.5 and 2.0-liter gasoline engines are likely to also be available in the new model. We won't know the actual pricing of the new Accord until after the car's official debut, which should happen by the end of 2022, when Honda announces pricing and provides details on the 2023 Accord's standard and optional features.